Hey everyone, happy Friday. It is May 1st, the first day of May 2020. And today we're just going to do a quick review of what we know about telling time on past the hour on analog and digital clocks. So we'll go back to Monday's lesson. And so we know that a full rotation around the clock is 60 minutes. So half past the time would be at 6, and that would be 30 minutes. We know that we use the words half past an hour, and that shows us, for example, if we take a look at this clock, analog clock here, if we were to read the time here, we would say half past what? We look at the hour hand. The hour hand is right in between the 8 and the 9, but it hasn't reached the 9 yet, so we say 8 there, and the minute is pointing to halfway down the clock. So we would say half past 8. That's correct. So we'll just go ahead and type that in here. So it would look like this. We would say half over here because that's not working right here. Half past 8 o'clock is what this clock reads, half past 8 o'clock. Okay, so now this is the analog clock. Then we also talked about the digital clock, and we know that the difference between an analog clock and a digital clock is that the analog clock has these hands, the short hand and the long hand. The short hand and long hand, which are the hour hand and the minute hand, but a digital clock shows the number in digits. It's the number, and we know the first number here represents the hour, and after the colon, this number represents the minutes. So we would say, if we read this, we know that says half past 7 right here. Half past 7. Move that there. And then we would read this as 30 is half, so we say half past 8, just like the previous one. So we would say here, half past 8. And we forgot the word clock, o'clock, right? So we gotta go put that back on there. I'm gonna make this just a little bigger so that we can see it. Half past 8 o'clock, and then over here, I gotta go back and put o'clock. Half past 7 o'clock here, half past 8 o'clock here. You watch some videos this week to help you understand when we read half past the hour. And so today, I don't have an assignment for you per se, but I have some fun videos. Some of these you've already seen. Some of these will be reviewed, but the only thing for you to do is for you to read, or not read, but watch these videos. Watch any of the videos if you'd like some just more practice on telling time half past the hour. So I hope you enjoyed this week, and we will meet again next week introducing our new math topic. So you guys have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye.